Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we are doing a little mini mukbang. So I have Indian and Korean food. This is all left over. So I just decided to eat and record. So here I have some cheese-filled tteokbokki. I have some mozzarella-filled corn dogs. These dogs drive me crazy. I have some Basmati rice. I have chicken Palek. Put the names down below. And then chicken Tikka. We had a girls trip this weekend, and this is what the leftover that I brought from last night. So this food is from the Royal Indian House in Chicago. And then the tteokbokki and stuff, we stopped at H Mart before coming home, and I made this at home. And then as well as these, I bought these frozen, and then I put them in the oven and just coated them with sugar. So first things first. My camera apparently just wants to focus on my plate. These are so good. Took me a little bit to set up. Had to get the baby down. It is the middle of the day, middle of the afternoon, so my son no longer takes naps, which is fun. So he's eating right next to me. Stop it. So this is chicken with spinach, and this is like chicken tikka masala. But when I ordered it, it wasn't in like, maybe that's butter chicken, which is in like the sauce. Now how I usually make it, it was more like skewered styled. It's still very delicious. These tteokbokkis are really good. Did I mention there were cheese stuffed rice cakes? They sell them in H Mart in by Niles, Illinois. The tteokbokki I made it at home. I bought those rice cakes in the frozen section by itself. And I bought a little packet of tteokbokki sauce. I only bought one because at home I had gochujang, and you just mix gochujang with water and sugar. And usually rice cakes consist of fish cake, scallions and all that stuff, but my partner doesn't like the fish cake taste, so that's why I made it from home instead of buying one of those easy kits. Bite. Like, look how orange that chicken is.
Mommy, someone just rock.
Hmm.
Mommy, the tablet is almost dying.
Okay, we'll charge it in a little bit.
I don't want this no more. Mommy, what are you doing?
Sorry for all the background noise, guys, but again, busy mom life. My dog has no chill. My son has no chill. My daughter has no chill. So this channel ain't gonna have no chill. That's why I can barely make any ASMR videos. I brought these back for my son. My son actually watches a lot of ASMR. I'm his favorite ASMR artist with Sassy Snacks. And ever since he saw her video of her little mini haul from that Japanese store she went to, Daikon? No. I'm not sure what the video was, but she showed a little haul of the little like knickknacks and stuff that she got, and she ate some of this melon gum and grape and strawberry. And every time I go to H Mart, which is the only place I can find them, he wants them.
What are we doing?
You guys are so extra.
What?
I was telling them that I can't have quiet videos anymore. I said because the dog has no chill, he has no chill, the baby has no chill, now you have no chill. Dang.
Ow. Oh, no.
Huh? Oh, I forgot my bread. I'm almost done here. I had naan bread. It's very hard to find. Just plain mozzarella corn dogs. Because some have the fish cake filling inside, or they have the hot dog, and I only like the mozzarella part. So I'll leave the name of this exact brand if you're interested. And they're stuffed with cheese. I'm full. That was delicious. Again, if you're in the Chicago area, you're looking for Indian food, I'll go ahead and leave the link down below to the place that I bought the food from, which is very good, as well as the name for the corn dog brand that I got. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys next time.